Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another one-stop watch video number 10. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and become part of the fam, like my returning subscribers. Hey you guys, you will not be disappointed, and plus you won't miss me because I post consistently. You guys, let's get into my week 6 potatoes and garlic. Look how well everything is coming along, and so far everything looks good. Up next is week 22 mystery seed, and before I say what it is, you tell me what you think it is. Take a guess. 3, 2, 1. Spaghetti squash. Did you get it right? Yeah, you got it right. I believe it is a spaghetti squash. I'm actually going to show you the other spaghetti squash plants that are at the bottom of the pot that I planted as a backup, and they're not thriving like that one up there, but it's still there. Moving on to week 20 mint, and you guys, I bought this mint from Aldi's, and 20 weeks later this is how it looks. It's trying to flower, but there are new stems growing from the plant, so I'm excited about that. So I'm just going to let nature take its course and not cut off any more buds like I said in the last video. Next we have week 21 cucumber, and so far I have been having a lot of success with cucumbers this season, so I'm thankful for that. Let's get into this ginger, you guys. My ginger is looking so good, and for me to actually see the new ginger that developed, I can't wait. Now I'm just showing the ginger that shares the pot with the mystery seed here, and this ginger look like it's doing good too. Now we have the sugar baby watermelons coming up. You guys, I'm so excited because even though it's late in the season, I'm still getting watermelon. This is just an example why you should never give up on your garden when things don't go well in the beginning. Because in the beginning, my zucchini, I had no success with that. The watermelon died. And that's also because I had a little pest control and I, went overboard killing, And I killed the plants in the process. But you already saw new baby sugar baby watermelon. This is baby sugar baby watermelon. Now this is little baby sugar baby watermelon. And this is a big baby sugar baby watermelon. Yeah, I named the watermelons, okay? Listen, I got to keep entertaining for you guys, right? Moving on to the cauliflower that's been eaten up to the stem but keep coming back and surviving. You know what I mean? You can't hold no cauliflower back. Next is my herb garden, which consists of kale, spinach, thyme, and lettuce. Pretty much everything went to seed, and this is what I have left. Alright, you guys, let's get into my tower, which consists of different types of peppers and eggplants, but I only have seen habanero peppers, which you just saw. You guys, don't mind the dramaticness of the plants, how they looking like they all scribbled up and dying of thirst. That's I mean, it's been a lot hot, but they got water. You know, they're dramatic, okay? But here are the eggplants that I'm showing you right now. Coming up is the tomatoes that are in a milk crate. In one milk crate, I have tomatoes and basil. Another one is the onions, which I have not harvested any onions, and I think they didn't make it. If you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing, you guys. And it costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button and a thumbs up. And hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my upcoming videos. But if you don't, thank you so much for watching. But don't go nowhere yet because we still have harvest time. For more videos like this, click here.